Oh yeah, he loves attention.
Aw, good boy, huh, Frankie? How old is he?
He's 12.
Wow, 12 years old. You good boy, huh? You good boy. You got a little Ryobi thing on too.
Yep, he's my shop dog.
Good boy, huh? You shopping with Papa?
Yes, thank you.
You shopping with Papa? Oh, good boy. You're handsome. Oh, good boy. You. So he doesn't fall.
Oh, he knows. He's used to this. He does this all the time. Yeah. We go to Home Depot at least two, 3 times a week.
Oh, yeah? I
Yeah.
haven't seen you here.
I usually go to the Hayward one. I live in San Lorenzo, but when they told me that you guys had 6 of what I needed, that's why I came here.
Well, hopefully I see you again, okay, Frank?
You will.
Okay. Thank you for shopping at Good boy. I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Thank you. Appreciate your help.
Oh, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Look at all of that, Frankie. Look at that. Good boy, Frankie.
Let me see. He's with all the Ryobi tools. You're the Ryobi mascot, huh, boy?
He is. They call him Ryobi Dog. We have a Facebook group and we have Instagram and everything.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, he's pretty popular on there.
That's good.
All right.
See you later.
Thank you. Let's go, Frankie. You got some new toys, huh? Huh, Frankie? Look at those new toys you got.